Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Welcome to another collab video. Today's video is in collaboration with the very beautiful and talented Ash from Makeup and Chaos. I reached out to Ash, oh gosh, it's been a little while ago, and asked her if she would do this collab video with me because Ash does beautiful fantasy makeup. And sometimes I like to do a little bit of fantasy makeup. And I asked her if she would be willing to do an Earth Day look with me because today is Earth Day and I wanted to do something special to celebrate it. So this might be a long video. You might want to get you a drink, coffee, or an adult beverage and a snack. And I'll try to get through this as quickly as possible. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it. I might do a voiceover. We'll just have to see. But we're going to play with our makeup today and see what kind of Earth Day look that we can come up with. I will have Ash's video linked down below so that when you're done watching me and my shenanigans, you can go see what beautiful look Ash has come up with. I knew right off the bat when thinking about the color scheme that Ash and I were going to use, which is browns and blues and greens and golds, that I was going to use this Gemini palette, one of the palettes. There are quite a few that I'm thinking about using, but this is a beautiful green and brown, and there's a little bit of gold in there. Grungy palette. I knew that it would be perfect for this look. And this is what I'm going to start with. I have already primed my eyes. I don't really have any makeup on my face because we're going to be painting the entire thing. And I'm going to go into this light color here. It's called Luna, and use that as my transition shade. Of course, Melt Cosmetics just came out with a second Gemini palette. The packaging is different, but I believe that the colors are the same. And they also came out with a Gemini 2 palette. I was happy to see them come back out with this Gemini palette again. It really is a nice palette. And of course, y'all know we're going to talk about Earth Day. And now I'm going to go into this really deep brown. Did you know that Earth Day was started in 1970? April 22nd of 1970. Look at how pretty that brown is. I believe that Earth Day was started by a senator or a governor. I believe it was a senator that started it. It happened after a big oil spill in 1969, which raised some concerns about the environment, and so the senator started Earth Day. More than 20 million people in the U.S. gathered to celebrate the very first Earth Day. They had rallies and demonstrations to celebrate and raise awareness, to promote clean living and a healthy environment, which I think is very important. It was a day of unity among people of all social, economical, political, and religious backgrounds, and the beginning of a radical change for a better environment. Wouldn't it be awesome if we could be united like that every single day? I'm going to go here into this green and put that over my entire lid. In 1990, Earth Day went global, with over 200 million people representing 141 different countries coming together to celebrate Earth Day and push for environmental changes. These colors are really pretty, but they're very powdery. I'm going to go into this darker green and put that in my outer corner. I have a lot of fallout. Not that it matters, because this is supposed to be kind of messy. That looks like a hot mess, doesn't it? So I took this little flat brush and ran some black along my lash line. And now I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to go into this green shimmer and put that in my inner corner. Well, that's not going so well. Let's try our finger. It's such a pretty shade. Oh, look how pretty that is. So now I'm going to step away from the eyes for a moment and I'm going to go into this Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush Volume 1. And I'm going to go into Abby, which is almost like a reddish brown with this BK Beauty 104. Oh, it's really pigmented. It is definitely a reddish brown, isn't it? That's really pretty though. So it seems to me that even though we have Earth Day every year and we have put all of these programs into place to help make things better, you know, like recycling and water conservation, energy conservation, and all those things. It seems to me like it's a possibility that we're more wasteful now than we were back in the 70s or the 60s. I mean, I know that we have more, we have cleaner fuel nowadays and that type of thing, but what I remember from growing up was that when things broke, you fixed them. My grandparents would fix things when they broke. And it seems like now we have become a disposable society. When things break, people just throw them away. Of course, they're not as well made nowadays as they were back then either. I'm going to take that same brush and go into that brown in this Gemini palette, which is called Cupcake, by the way. Because I want more of a brown than I do that reddish color, although that's really pretty. But I'm going for grungy. It's hard to get this big brush in that little pan of eyeshadow. And now I just look like I got a dirty face, huh? I'm going to try this e.l.f. palette. e.l.f. X Jean Atkins. It's very patchy. Sometimes things will look a hot mess. You just have to kind of trust the process and see what happens. So now I'm going to go into this ColourPop Lush Life palette, and I'm going to go into this green with this little rougher 03, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Oh, that's pretty. And now I'm going to go into the High Tide palette because I'm all over the place with these palettes, and I'm going to pick up this blue on a fluffy eyeshadow brush because I want to represent all the colors. Of our beautiful planet. So what do y'all think? How am I doing? I'm starting to look like an avatar. And so now I'm going back into that green and I'm just creating some grass. So tell me, what do y'all do to celebrate Earth Day? Do you do anything? Do you recycle? I try. There's not a recycling program really here in this little small town where I live, but I try to send my plastic bags back to Walmart if I have any. I have reusable grocery bags that I use. This is the reason why I use the cotton rounds, the reusable cotton rounds that I wash. And I know several times I've had people ask me what I do when they get really dirty, and I just soak them in some Dawn peroxide and baking soda to help get the stains out of them, but it doesn't bother me that they're stained. The amount of trash that is created by the beauty community really bothers me. All the trash, you know, from all the things on the porch. So I try to recycle as much as possible. So now I look like I have a beard. It's grass. So now I'm going to take this little liner brush that I have dipped into some black, and I'm going to attempt some trees. Alright, that's not working. Let's try black eyeliner. This pencil is very soft. What is this? Italia. Now let's see if we can take this green eyeliner and make it look like actual trees. This is like doing a Bob Ross painting on your face. I'm going to get a liquid eyeliner and see if I can't put those tree trunks back in there. Well, that somewhat looks like trees, huh? Hi, Biscuit. So I've added some embellishments while I was away, and now I'm just taking some black eyeshadow and some gold. And some green, because why not? What else do we need besides some lashes? I have my vines and my trees and my meadow. I think I'm needing some lashes. Maybe I need a blue brow. This eyeliner is very soft. So I think I need some lashes, and then I'll be done. I'll be right back. And so of course we had to have some very big dramatic lashes to celebrate Earth Day, and some lip gloss and some crazy hair. And this is my interpretation of Earth Day. So as I was saying, Earth Day was created April 22nd of 1970, and today is April 22nd, 1922. and we have been celebrating Earth Day for a long time. I hope that you are doing something today to celebrate the earth and to take care of it so that we can make it last for our children and our grandchildren. Recycle. I hope you enjoyed this crazy video. I know that you didn't get to see a lot, but that's a lot of detail work that's just kind of boring for you to watch. So what I did for Earth Day is I went to the alivingtribute.org website and I bought a small grove of trees to be planted in celebration of my granddaughter Kyrie. So those trees will always be there. Maybe one day she'll go visit them and she will always know how much her Mimi loves her. I will put the link to that website down in the description box below this video just in case any of you would like to plant a tree in honor of Earth Day, someone you love that's still living, or in memory of someone. Make sure you go check out Ash's video. I'm headed over there right now to see what kind of amazing look that she did. She does a lot of graphic body type art and she does an amazing job. She is an amazing young woman and I hope that you will go watch her video, maybe watch a couple of her videos while you're there. And if you like her content, that you will consider subscribing to her. Thank you so much, Ash. I love having somebody that will do these crazy fantasy looks with me. I truly appreciate you doing this, and I appreciate you. Make sure that you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Pull your makeup out and play with it. It washes off. You can be just as crazy and silly with it as you want to. Find something to be grateful for today. Celebrate Mother Earth. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye-bye. Christopher? I would imagine, look, if you had these big fluffy eyelashes on and you were sitting on the side of the pond fishing and they were driving you nuts and you were doing this, the fish would just, because they would think it was a big old lure, big old granddaddy long leg they were trying to get. Maybe you shouldn't do that. You should be careful if you do the big fluffy lashes. They could provide some shade for your cheeks though so you don't get sunburn. Okay? Happy Earth Day, son. Mama loves you, boo.